meet your skin's new multitasking essential, SKNLOGIC Omega Face Oil. This award-winning facial oil is lightweight, fast-absorbing, and packed with skin-loving ingredients. It's the first of its kind to include omega-3, 5, 6, 7, and 9, offering complete omega nourishment in one formula. With a blend of 9 natural oils and added vitamins C and E, it supports healthy skin function, calms sensitivity, and leaves your skin smooth, radiant, and never greasy. Perfect for all skin types. Even sensitive or compromised skin, this oil can be used as a moisturizer, treatment product, or primer. Here's how to use it. After applying your serums and treatment products, apply 2 to 3 drops of Omega Face Oil. Omega oil can be applied before your moisturizer or after if using it as a primer for makeup application. Warm the oil between your hands, then gently pat or dab it into your skin. Avoid rubbing. This helps the oil absorb evenly and supports your skin barrier. Use it morning or evening, or both, depending on your routine. Thanks for watching! Be sure to check out our other videos for more skincare tips and product guides.